Honey, it's time to get the AC in! Everyone loves summer. When it gets hot, it's time to install the air conditioners. And that means wrestling with those old accordion-style baffles. We all hate them. They split so easy, they really don't fit well. So you have to drill into windows or trim. Or try rigging them with duct tape, pillows, or towels. And they still don't fit well. And then you end up with a mess like this.
I get so frustrated with those accordion baffles. There's 8 windows in my house that take an air conditioner. I'm gonna go crazy.
Bugs can get through, dust comes in, light comes in, and cool air goes out. There has got to be a better way. Introducing the Easy AC, a replacement for the annoying accordion-style baffles. The Easy AC is very easy to install, and it actually fits. It has a snug fit, which means more cool air stays inside your house, which is better for your wallet and the environment. The Easy AC also keeps out bugs, dust, and light. Its smooth, streamlined surface makes it easy to clean and provides a fun spot to decorate. It's so durable, it will last for years. The Easy AC works with 70% of the air conditioners on the market today. So take the easy way. Get the Easy AC for your air conditioners today.
Get an Easy AC and say goodbye to annoying accordion-style baffles forever. Don't forget, Easy AC is very easy to install, fits 70% of AC units. No more duct tape or pillows, doesn't damage windows with drill holes, blocks light, dirt, and bugs. It's very durable, easy to clean. It's better for the environment and far better looking. And with a favorable price point and the accordion baffles as subpar competition, the Easy AC is a great product to offer your customers. Call Tony Russo of Easy AC to learn more today.